First, this wooden ball is going to roll out this ramp, and that's step number 1. Then into this inclined plane, it's going to hit that book. That book's going to hit that book until hitting the car, that's a wheel and axle, and it's going to hit another ramp. That car will hit the bottle, which will tilt and become a lever. The bottle has a little marble in it, and the marble will fall down another ramp, and there you can see an inclined plane. It will go down the tube into my homemade screw, down another inclined plane, down another ramp. Then it's going to hit a car, that's a wheel and axle, down another ramp. That's going to hit these 4 books, sorry. The 4th book is going to hit the lever or the seesaw, and that's going to fly the tennis ball into the bucket. Fail number 2.
The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came.
Newton's first law is shown by this ball being at rest first and staying at rest, and then when I throw it, it's moving, but then it stops because of the outside force that is the book. Newton's second law is shown by the car because when it's pushed, it has force, and the force makes it go faster and have more acceleration, and it's a small car. While if it was a big car, it would go slower because of its big mass. Newton's third law is shown when the books hit each other and fall, because when the small one hits the big one, when the big one falls, there's a force that makes the other one bounce off a little and move. The first machine is a ramp. Then you can see here an inclined plane. Then you can see, an axle, a wheel and axle, that is a car. Then you can see this lever or that lever. Then you can see the screw. This wooden ball has chemical energy because that is the energy stored in the chemical composition of matter, and it is stored in wood. And as soon as I put it here and it rolls, or as soon as I put it here, that energy becomes mechanical energy because it moves.